It's very critical, your
Yeah.
position. Hindi masyadong napapansin nga, kumbaga. But it's very critical. So what exactly does a libero do on the court?
Ang libero is nagko-command sa likod ng court to better the defense and yun. Right?
Right? Yes.
Siguro po sa amin, ano din, parang aside dun sa nagko-command, parang ano din siya, support system. Lalo na sa mga outside. Ang daming, kailangan skills nila, dapat meron
Lahat, oo.
So, pagod talaga siya. So, kami din yung parang support system nila, lalo na pag medyo pagod na.
Thank you.
Please!
Diba, Ate Del?
True. We're basically the backbone of the team's defense. Backbone? Kaya masarap na likod namin. Kaya nga masakit. Masarap na likod namin. Pero, yeah, aside from what Don and Kat mentioned, I think we give energy to the team. Kasi when you pop up a ball na galing sa malakas na spike, parang, oh, everybody's energized to get that point. Pag nakuha mo, impossible dig, amazing dive, parang na-energize yung team to keep going.